Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation which is 2 to power t. This is equal to t to power that 2. So what is the value of t? Now solution from here. Now we have 2 to power t. This is equal to t to power 32. So the first thing to do here, let's ensure that we have the variable t on one side and the constant terms on the other side. To do that, we multiply both sides by 1 over t. And also here we have 1 over t. So t and t here simplifies so that we'll have 2 is equal to t to power that 2 raised to power 1 over t. Now, given the exponent property that a to power n raised to power m, this can also be expressed as a to power m raised to power n. Now this is simply the interchange of the powers, so that now we'll have 2 is equal to t to power 1 over t raised to power 32. So here we multiply both sides by 1 over 32 and also here by 1 over 32. So this is to ensure that we have the variables t on one side, and it's true that we have t to power 1 over t. This is equal to 2 to power 1 over 32. So here we have the base, which is t, is equal to the reciprocal of the exponent. So we have to ensure also on the right hand side that t is equal to the t. So to do that, we have 1 over that 2. We can express this as 1 over that 2 is the same thing as 2 over 64. Let's substitute this. We have t to power 1 over t. This is 2 to power 2 over 64. So given that 8 to power m times n, this can be expressed as 8 to power m raised to power n. So here we'll have 2 to power 2 raised to power 1 over 64. So this is the same thing as 2 to power 2. This is actually equal to 4 raised to power 1 over 64. So 1 over 64 is the same thing as 2 over 128. So that now here we'll have 4 to power 2 raised to power 1 over 128. So here we'll have 4 squared, this is 16, raised to power 1 over 128. We can express 1 over 128 basically as 2 over 256. So essentially here, we'll have 16 raised to power 2 raised to power 1 over 256. So 16 squared here, this is the same thing as 256. So here we'll have t to power 1 over t. This is equal to 256 raised to power 1 over 256. So the base here and the reciprocal of the exponent, it's equal. So we have 256 and 256 here, which is the same thing as t is raised to power t, 1 over t. So that implies that t is equal to 256. So this is the value of t. Now let's verify that this value of t actually satisfies the equation. So now we have t is equal to 256. So let's verify this. Now if you recall here, we entered 2 to power t. This is equal to t to power 32. So let's substitute the value of t. Here we have 2 to power 2, 56. This is equal to 256 raised to power 32. So we can express 256 as 2 to power 8. Okay? So this implies that here we have 2 to power 256. This is equal to 2 to power 8 raised to power 32. And therefore, given that 8 to power n raised to power m this can be expressed as 8 power n times m. So applying this exponent property, then here we have 2 to power 256. This is equal to 2 to power 8 times that 2. So if you say that 2 times 8, this is the same thing as 8 times 2, this is 16, carry 1 here. 8 times 3, this is 24, plus 1, this is 25. So this implies we have 2 to power 256. This is equal to 2 to power 256. So the left add side is equal to the right add side. And that implies that the value of t, which is 256, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps. Like this video and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe, my good people. Bye bye.